Hi, greeting to all. I am Sowrirajan. This is a product unboxing video. I am going to unbox the JBL Lavalier microphone. This is it. Okay, let's check what all the stuffs are inside. Okay, I open the box. Oh, one pouch is there. Okay, take it out. Then two cords are there. Okay, box is empty now. Okay, this is JBL. The box is empty now. The two card is there. Only these three items there are inside the box. One is JBL redeem code for 5%, and another one is a user guide. Okay, this is a user guide. All the informations about microphone are there. Okay. Okay, this is the main thing. We're going to open our pouch. Oh, okay. This is our mic, and another utility bag is there. Oh, it's contain lot of utility for our mics. Then inside one silicone gel is there. Okay, that's it. Now the pouch is empty. Okay, here is our mic. This is a 6-meter mic. Okay, here is a condenser. This is a condenser mic. Here is a condenser. For the condenser they give one clip, so we can make it easily clip to our pocket easily. Then our microphone sealed perfectly with the polythene. Okay, let's check what are the utilities are inside. Yeah, one converter is there. Then another filter is there. Microphone filter is there. Okay. Oh, one clip is there. Then battery. Okay, then battery is there. This is a condenser mic, so they give the battery. Okay, here is our mic. That's it. Okay, these two are the main things. One is mic, then another one is battery. Okay, let's insert the battery to our lavalier microphone. Okay, I am unboxing. Okay, I see a lot of tutorials here. It's a condenser is a thread type, so we hold here, then thread like this, unscrew like this, then our condenser opened. Oh, one ribbon is there. Okay, I think this ribbon is for battery to pop it up next time for the replacement. Okay, I am going to insert the battery to the condenser. Okay, I insert the battery to the condenser. Then extra ribbon is there. After the battery go inside, there extra ribbon is there. If you pop upside, the battery come outside. Okay, okay, then I screw to the condenser. Okay, now our JBL Lavalier microphone is ready. Okay, here is the JBL Lavalier microphone. Okay, in our platform, so many of the microphones are there, from low to high. I plan to buy middle microphone below 1000 rupees. I search in the internet, so many of the YouTubers recommend JBL microphone. It's good for money, so that only I uh, think to purchase this JBL microphone. Okay, now we check how it is work. I won't use this type of collar mic ever before. I am going to take this type of videos, so that only I plan to buy a microphone. This one is useful for all the YouTubers. Okay, let's check how it is work. Here I am, away 6 meters from the camera. This is the wire. Okay, I don't know how the output quality is. Hope the output quality is good enough for the money. Okay, I clipped the mic in my collar and I clipped the condenser in my jeans pocket. Both the clips are in a steel, so both the clips are very heavy. Okay, I think it is really comfortable to wear, to use this type of mics. That's it, friend. I hope you like this video. I try to improve my English. Take it easy, think positive. Once again, I am Sowrirajan signing off. Bye.